Webbyo review, demo, and $3,797 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my Webbyo review. Now guys, this is an amazing product, especially if you want to break into making $1,000 sales, okay? So obviously, you can go after these small $5, $10, $15 sales, or you can just focus all your energy on making these big commissions, and in this case, even one sale of $500 to $1,000 will make a difference. So this product is essentially done for you webinars with done for you setup and done for you traffic. So let me share my screen. Let's jump into this Webbyo review. Before we start, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And even before I'm going to show you the sales page, let me show you my webinar. So as you can see, the prices are totally different. Okay, so if you're doing affiliate marketing and you're again making $5, $10, $15, even $50 per commission, it's much easier and cooler to actually make, you know, $500 per sale. As you can see, I have payment plans as well, but essentially I'm getting $500 to $600 per sale, which is cool, and this is exactly what Webbyo is about. So as you can see on the sales page, it says Webbyo, select, click and profit, newbie friendly cloud software turns done for you webinars into 24-hour per 7-day per week free traffic and $1,000 plus commissions and minutes, guaranteed income stream, zero work, no competition. So you are getting 10 live traffic sources with this, and included done for you offers that pay you up to $1,000 per commissions. Okay, so guys, let me scroll down and show you some key points right here. 3 simple steps. Obviously these guys have tons of proof behind it. Some testimonials. Let me just scroll down. I'm going to show you the inside in a second. So again, this is all done for you. You don't need any skills whatsoever. You're getting all the done for you webinars. My testimonial here, as you can see. So I really like this product. That's why I gave them a testimonial. A little sum up right here. So essentially what you're getting is the software. You can run unlimited attendees, which is cool because I'm actually paying for GoToWebinar myself, and the more attendees you actually have to you can host, the more you have to pay. So you have unlimited attendees. You can go live with pre-recorded videos. That's very important. You're getting the done for you webinars included. You're getting done for you high ticket offers to promote included. Copy and paste the links and get $1,000 commissions. You can go live at the same time on Facebook, YouTube video, and Daily Motion. So you're getting all this traffic from all these different sources. You can automatically blast the link to your social media, autoresponder generation, email notification system built in, fully SEO optimized pages, customizable templates for registration and replay, and a video editor built in. So guys, a super powerful package. So, you know, me doing my own webinars, I have to do all of this myself manually. Okay, so I have to first of all have something to sell, then I need to prepare the presentation, I need to, you know, read the presentation. It takes an hour plus. It's super exhausting, and obviously I have to do all the setup. So the pre-registration pages, the thank you pages, you know, all of that stuff, and all of this is included with Webbyo. So pretty cool. And this is released by Venkata Ramana, Radu Hahaianu, and McKay, 3 amazing marketers. So guys, let's check out the inside of the members area. Okay, now it's super simple, and it doesn't look like much, but essentially it's all done for you, so you don't really need to set up much. So we have the dashboard right here, we have the welcome video, then we have webinars. So these are the webinars that you will be able to see that you ran in the past. Okay, so there's nothing right now because on this account I didn't run any webinars yet. You can just create a new webinar, and as you can see, all you have to do is add the name, type, so it can be a recorded or a live webinar, when it starts, the time zone. You can add a webinar password if you want to. So we have the title, subtitle, description, logo, and then we have, you know, all the colors that you can change. And we can add an offer. So a call to action can be any call to action that you want, and also an offer link. So this is where you add your affiliate link. Then you click on create webinar and you are done. Okay, so you can set all of this up in a matter of seconds because again, all these done for you webinars are ready. So these are the webinars. Then we have syndication accounts. Now this is where you're going to add your YouTube, your Facebook, etc. Then to syndicate the webinar to all of these pages. So let me just click on add account and let me show you. So you can add Facebook, Vimeo, YouTube, and Daily Motion. So again, once you're going to have the webinar ready, you can start streaming on all 4 of these platforms at the same time to get traffic and sales, obviously. So this is how to add the syndication accounts. Then we have done for you webinars, okay? Super exciting. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 done for you webinars, and this is by really successful media. Okay, so I actually work with these guys. I've ran their webinars in the past. I know them personally, and these webinars are of high quality, and then they actually sell. Okay, so let me show you right now how it looks like. So let's check out this one. So as you can see, we have a 2-hour webinar about eBay. So obviously these will be in a bunch of different niches. And again, you are getting all the videos. So you have them hosted on Wistia, on Vimeo, and you have all of these different webinars. So all you have to do is just pick the webinar of your choice and start going. Now we have the reseller's license, but this is actually an upgrade, so we will talk about the upgrades in a second. And then training, so obviously all the training is included with this. So we have create a new webinar, adding a video to your webinar, create a new YouTube stream and link it with your webinar preview, and then start screaming. Guys, there's not much more to it than what I just showed you. Essentially, you just have to pick a webinar, add your affiliate link to it, start streaming, get all the traffic from all the social media that you're connecting to it. Obviously, the more traffic you send to it, the better. And in my bonus, you're going to get additional traffic sources so you can send massive traffic to your webinars. Again, all the work is done for you because creating a webinar sometimes takes weeks. Okay, running the webinar alone takes like at least 2 to 3 hours. All the setup, you need to have a product to sell, etc. And by the way, if someone will actually run a webinar for you, so if you would ask me to run a webinar for you, I would take 50% of your profits. You're getting 100% commissions on all of this, and guys, it's all done for you. So a total no-brainer. Now let's check out the pricing and all of the upsells. So Webbyo will be $22.93. This is the early bird price. Everything I just showed you is included. So done for you webinars, all the done for you pages, the done for you setup, and all the training. We have the pro version, that's audio number 1, $36.93. I'm going to show you exactly what this is in a second. The enterprise version is $46.93, audio number 2. Audio number 3 is the agency version, $66.93, and audio number 4 is a bundle of products, $39. And right here on my blog, I have a full funnel breakdown, obviously a full written review as well, so you can check it out. But let's check out what each audio actually consists of. So Webbyo audio number 1 is the pro version, which is the ability to add your own logo, custom branding, developers lights, paid webinars, autoresponder access, in-depth reporting, and much more. Okay, so obviously you will be able to make money with the basic version, the main version, but if you want the pro version with everything for taking massive action, that's only $36.93. Okay, the enterprise version is a done for you upgrade that gives you more traffic sources and more done for you products to promote. Okay, so that's $46.93. This is for people that really want to take super massive action. Okay, obviously you can make more money with this because you're getting more traffic and more webinars to promote. The agency version is $46.93, and this is a reseller's license. Okay, so you can sell Webbyo as your own product and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. And a bundle of products for $39 is a collection of best apps that you can actually sell as your own products. That's only $39. So you can use these apps and just use them for whatever they are created for, generating traffic, creating pages, or you can also sell them. So that's a bundle of products, $39. And guys, let me show you all of the bonuses I got in store for you, because I have a huge bonus package. And again, I have a full written review as well, so you can check this out as well. Now, Webbyo goes live at 11 a.m. Eastern on May 11th. Make sure to pick it up through my link if you want to get all of these bonuses. And to pick it up through my link, all you have to do is just click on one of these blue links from my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, the first link in the description will take you to my blog. The second link in the description will take you straight to the sales page, and you're getting bonuses wherever you click. Okay, so I promised you that I'm going to give you some bonuses about traffic. Okay, so these are free custom-made bonuses, especially for this promotion. And these are 3 different traffic sources. Obviously, the more traffic you can send to your webinars, the more money you will make. And this is exactly what you're going to get with these free custom-made bonuses for Webbyo. I'm going to give you 3 additional custom-made bonuses. Okay, so not about traffic, but you're going to get funnel secrets, video secrets, and also traffic secrets. Okay, so 3 additional, which is a total of 6 custom-made bonuses, guys. Okay, I'm also going to give you a reseller's license to 3 of my top-selling products: Instavit, Traffic Trapper, and Traffic Extractor. As you show, a reseller's license is anywhere from $97 to $197. You're getting it for free and to 3 products. Now, I'm also going to give you a massive done for you package. Okay, so this is something that people normally sell as OTOs or upsells to their own courses. You're getting it for free from me, and you're getting emails, evergreen campaigns, funnels, a bunch of different done for you stuff. Okay. I'm also going to give you a course on how to generate a buyer's list. So Buyer's List Ninja is my exclusive course. It's not available for sale any longer. You can only get it as a part of this Webbyo bonus. I'm going to give you Fiverr Income Secrets, Fiverr Masterclass, and Riser. These are 3 of my top-selling Fiverr courses, so I can actually set up these webinars for other people. If you want to do this, these courses will show you how. Newbie Traffic Formula, VidSkippy, Hookum, FlipMe, Tube Traffic Avalanche, Facebook Quiz Creator, Mobile 2-Step Opt-in Generator, Viral Source, and Content Pop-Up Pro, Video Focus, Smart Commenter, SocialQuick, and a case study on free traffic. All of these are doubles of the day awarded products and software. Now I'm going to give you additional software and additional plugins. What you're getting again for free is Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueTags, IS, Popbox, Sales Bar, Shortcode Call to Action, Authority Traffic Masters, Facebook Live Reaction, Azon Press, FaceZone, VidBuilder, Press Play, Image and Video Commenters, Social Auto Poster, SlickPop, VidBot, Responsive Slider, YouTube Video Gallery, Pinterest Portfolio, PostGrid, Post Widget, and WordPress Courses plugin. Now that's a total of 52 bonuses. But I'm not done, because you're getting my mega bonus on top of all this. Okay, so my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses, and my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and this means you're getting a total of $3,797 worth of bonuses. Now guys, these are not some PLR courses that I downloaded from some free website. These are actual products. Okay, so custom-made products, my own products, software, plugins, W's of the day awarded products, product of the day awarded products. This whole bundle is really worth $3,797, and you would actually have to spend this much if you would like to get all of these separately. Okay, so super exclusive bonus for you, and again, you're getting all of this for free. So guys, I really like this product. So let's sum up this Webbyo review. So this all works on autopilot. You can get free traffic from all of these different traffic sources. You're getting 10 live traffic sources. It includes done for you high ticket solutions. So the 5 webinars I just showed you, 0 tech skills. All you have to do is just pick a webinar and start screaming. No hidden on month or monthly fees. Okay, so this is a one-time price, $22.93. That's the early bird. Money back guarantee, obviously, and they will actually double your money back if you won't see any results. Okay, so just a double money back guarantee. What I don't like about Webbyo, now this is not really a minus or a negative, but you do have to use webinars. Okay, so it's a little bit different from affiliate marketing, so you have to think about the fact that people will actually have to watch the whole webinar. Okay, so it's normally an hour to 2 hours, so the planning is a little bit different. So it's not like sending someone to the sales page. They just read the headline and they buy. They have to watch the webinar. But with that being said, you're not making $5 or $10 per commission. You're making big ticket commissions, $500 to $1,000 per sale. So again, the approach is a little bit different, but the payout is much higher. So this can be a minus, this can be a plus, but this is just what I think. So guys, so this was my Webbyo review. Again, check out the full Webbyo review right here on my blog that is written. It goes live at 11 a.m. Eastern on May 11th. Make sure to pick it up from my link again to get all of these bonuses. And after you will pick it up from my link, all you have to do is go to your Warrior Plus purchase history. So click on your icon with your name right here in the top right corner, go to the purchase history, you will see Webbyo amongst your purchases. And below the button that says access your purchase, you should see another button that says bonuses from art. Okay, so you don't have to send me emails or receipts. This is all done for you automatically and delivered to you via Warrior Plus. So this is how you get my bonuses after picking up Webbyo through my link. And again, guys, this gets 2 thumbs up from me because I really like the idea of making money with webinars. You're getting high ticket commissions, the big ticket commissions. It's a no-brainer. All of this is done for you. All you have to do is just pick the webinar, embed it, get the traffic, and make the money. Okay, so again, 2 thumbs up from me. That was my Webbyo review for you guys. Give it a like on YouTube. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Subscribe to the channel for more review videos just like this one, and I'll see you in the next review video. Ciao.